Welcome to Libby Tutorial. Libby provides the services of Electronic Lab Notebook and Laboratory Information Management System. When records are created, they can be accessed and managed in the list view. This tutorial will walk through the functions related to the list view in Libby. To access the list view, you can click the table on the dashboard. You can also click the tables menu at the navigation bar, and then select a table. Once clicked, a list view with the 10 most recent records will be displayed. It contains a navigation bar on the top, a side panel on the left, and a table to display the list of records. With the navigation bar, you can add a new record, perform an in-page search, manage filters, limit views with projects, import and export records, create a support ticket, open list view documentation, change the page size and the page number. Select a filter to display the list of records that matches the filter query. Select a project to display the records that belong to the project. The functions listed in the side panel are very similar to the navigation bar. The side panel is only visible on the desktop, and it will be hidden on the mobile. The side panel can be closed by clicking the Hide Me button. In the table, many columns are displayed. These include the fixed columns, a checkbox, name, projects, owner, and customizable columns. Date start, date due. To include a column in the list view, set is hidden to false when creating the column. The copy icon and edit icon will be displayed when hovering the cursor over a value. Click the copy icon to copy the value, and the edit icon to edit the value. You can also duplicate a record by clicking the duplicate icon. If there are more than 10 records were created, you can click the Load More button to load the second page of records. Select one or more records to enter the batch operations. You can print, edit, or export the select records in bulk. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. If you would like to learn more about Libby ELN and LIMS, you can schedule a free online demo at schedule.libby.com.